Well, I know say I fight them, I fight the artist still, you know? Busy signal a show, man. You see what I mean there? And things like that, them for level out the thing first before them go to the big man. You see what I mean there? Yeah, man, it's really unfair, man. Because man, I come off a tour, I just come scoop him up, so. You see what I mean there? And the real big man, busy.
It's shocking. I'm really surprised. He's always seemed to be such a conscious artist, you know? It's really shocking. Wasn't expecting that. Wish him all the best though.
I wonder if him really do them things that them talk about still. What them things there from what? 10 years back. Them time them did young, and also when man young they make all a mistake, you know. Cause a rich thing man I pray, you know. As a young youth, you know. But personally still I really feel like him do them things because as an artist, I feel like I have to do them things there. Cause music don't make money same way. But then was some man want extra money. Nah say him do it still, nah say him do it. But so look the outcome, you see me?
Busy, I'm a big fan of Busy because Busy, I'm not telling a lie. Busy do some song where you can really listen to when you're at home or you drive or you know you're in a bad mood. You know when them song can make you laugh or you know you say for real, you know. Or like now go to jail again and song like them, there are some songs where really touch you, yeah. Understand what I say? People like who got prison before and all of that, them things that touch them. Like, Busy for him and all of this now, I feel bad for him. In a real life, I feel bad for him because I say, Jano, if you see him go through all of these things and him happy and all of that and now him come now, him go sad. I don't really feel good. It's like him is a part of me. He maybe don't know that, but straight from Scary him is a part of me.
Anyway, I was sorry that that happened to Busy Signal, and I hope everyone learn because nobody perfect, and even though some of we men who go out, like we go far out, like in this abroad and all these things, and some of we can't satisfy with the liquor we make, always want fast money, but that is not all.